Hello there and welcome to MrMetrics.com. Today we are going to be exploring the Advanced Segments tool in the new version of Google Analytics. Specifically, we're going to be looking at segmenting out types of search traffic. So we're looking at organic search, so people who are clicking on non-paid search results, and we're looking at non-branded versus branded traffic. So first of all, we're looking at the non-branded, which is perhaps a product or a service that you provide, might be a more competitive key term, and then branded, so your brand name, for example, people searching for that. So let's have a quick look. First of all, I think the best place to start here is to look at what keywords are actually driving traffic to your site at the moment. So on the new Google Analytics GUI, we can find that underneath traffic sources, incoming sources, and search, a little bit of drill down here, and then organic. So now we have this report, we can see which terms are driving the most traffic to our site. Looks to me like Tattoo Japan is driving the most traffic, and then we have Design Something, which is the name of the blog, actually at number 4. So what we want to do is get rid of any traffic from Design Something, so we can find out purely what non-branded search traffic we're getting. So let's open Advanced Segments, which you'll now find up on the top left hand side. We already have a set of default segments. The closest to what we want today is the non-page search traffic, which will tell us exactly how much traffic we're getting from people clicking on those organic search links. But this isn't going to be excluding the key terms, the branded key terms. So we're going to have to create our own new advanced segment. Here we are. If you were to click on the Create New Advanced Segment button on the right hand side, we will come up with this nice form here. So first of all, we want to be including all organic traffic. So the quickest way to do that, if we click down here to search for a dimension, and that's going to be medium. So the medium can be, say, paid search, organic search, referrals. In this case, of course, it's organic. So let's just type that in there. That looks about right. Let's preview the segment just to make sure that we've got some traffic. Okay, so that looks just about right. We've got around 424 searches, so that's about 26% of all traffic. That's close enough. As we've just been handily reminded, we need to put in a name. So let's say organic non-branded search traffic. That makes sense. And right, and to actually exclude the branded terms, we're going to add an and statement. We're going to, okay, we've got medium in there. Let's say we're going to be looking at keywords in this case. So we want to exclude keywords containing, and in this case it's going to be design something. Okay, so let's preview this segment. You can see, okay, so there are around sort of 20 searches or so for that, and so yeah, we're looking about right. If we just scroll down, we can see that Design Something has now been removed from this keyword report. I'd like to just point one last thing out. One quite quick way of getting rid of multiple versions of your branded key terms is to use the regex, so matching regex. The quickest way to do this is just to use a pipe, so one of these little straight characters here. So we can use this as an and, so we can have design something, and say if people just search for that or mistype that, zoom something, or and let's have one last one with people searching for design something as one word. And although that's not going to make a massive difference to this report, let's have a quick look. We can see, okay, so we've got rid of a couple more searches here, which makes our results a little bit more accurate. So let's give that a quick save, and we can find out. So now we have all of the, we can look at any of the reports. So from behaviour to new and returning, all of this is all based on the non-branded search traffic. And that's that. So I hope that's been useful. Quite quick, quite straightforward, I hope. Any questions, please let me know in the comments. If you have any requests for any screencasts you'd like me to create, I think next time we're going to be looking at using these advanced segments to look at social media traffic, which should be interesting. So until then, thank you very much.